Hello everyone, I am your host Happy Bird and we are joined on cat.com. Today my live project topic is um, okay guys, thank you. Thank you everyone who joined the live stream and also follow me. Like, share and follow my stream. Today my topic is project topic is UAI Candy Drop. Okay guys. Mm, Announcement latest events Candy Drop 10th 109th Candy Drop Unifall UAI Trade and Invite Friend Candy Drop 10 9th Candy Drop X Unifall UAI Trade and Invite Friends to share 2 lakh UAI. Okay guys. Candy Drop is Get Candy airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. We are excited to launch the UAI token airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 2 lakh UAI with a maximum individual share of 1000 UAI. Details and are as follows. Okay guys, thank you everyone who joined the live and also follow me. Like, share and follow my stream. Okay guys, thank you everyone. Thank you. Futures trading pool 1 lakh UAI, maximum 500 UAI per person. Invite friends pool 1 lakh UAI, maximum 500 UAI per person. Airdrop calculation formula: individual candy amount, total candies of all users, price pool, event period November 7 225 here, at November 14 225 here, at UTC. Join now. Futures trading pool rules: during the event, users with cumulative UAI futures trading volume open positive close 1 1 lakh USDT will receive candy rewards and share the 1 lakh UAI pool. Each user can earn up to 39 candies with a maximum of 500 UAI per coin per person. Reward rules are as follows: UAI trading volume 1 lakh USDT, 1000 USDT, 1 candy. UAI trading volume 5000 USDT, 3 candies. UAI trading volume 10,000 USDT, 5 candies. UAI trading volume 50,000 USDT, 10 candies. UAI trading volume 1 lakh USDT, 20 candies. Okay guys, thank you everyone who joined the live stream and also follow me. Like, share and follow my stream. Invite friends pool rules during the event. Each successful refer where a friend signs up and completes at least 200 USDT in UAI spot trading earns one candy up to 10 candies per user. All candy holders share a 1 lakh UAI prize pool with a maximum reward of 500 UAI per user. Note: valid friends must sign up via this event link and complete as at least 200 USDT in spot trading of UAI. If the invite participates in other invites events, the inviter cannot claim candy rewards. Simula- mm, Simultaneously, project introduction. Unifall is an all-native infra for agentic finance, which powers the next era of autonomous all agents simply if fine DeFi for everyone. Users can automate multiply DeFi strategies such as lapping pairs, sports trading, borrowing, lending strategies, and so much more. No coding needed. SH all agent enhances on-chain affecting and decision making and users be help. Currently, Unifall supports Polymarket, Polygon, Meteora, Solana, and Drift strategies with a recent happy liquid back backend integration and plans to expand to more EVM networks underway. Unifall is scaling to more ecosystem token. UAI official website https Unifall Unify network x https xcom unifying network. Guys, thank you everyone who joined the live project, and also follow me, like, share, and also follow me. Okay guys, thank you everyone, thank you. Note: 1. Participants must click the Join Now button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, they must complete the event tasks and identity verification to receive rewards. 2. Rewards will be distributed to users' accounts within 14 working days after the end of the event. 3. It is strictly prohibited to register, multiply small accounts and engage in malicious was trading, self-buying, and self-selling, or any other cheating behavior. Multiply accounts of the same verified user will be considered the same account. Sub accounts are not allowed. to participate in activities. For market makers, in enterprises and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Agent accounts cannot participate in friend invitation type activities, while other activities are under, unrestricted. 5 inches of any discrepancies between the translated version and the English version. The English version shall prevail. 6. Gate has the final interpretation rights for this event. 7. Users in restricted areas cannot access all or part of the services, including participating in this event, game, or competition. For more information about restricted areas, please read user agreement. 8. Risk warning. Users must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to market risks and trade cautiously. Gate team November 7, 225. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,400 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take actions now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in Falcon rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app. Disk, Desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of reserves. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone who joined my project. Like, share, and follow my project. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Can you drop UAI ongoing? Unifall is an all native infra for genetic finances which powers the next area of autonomous agents simplifying DeFi for everyone. Website Twitter total price pool 2 lakh UAI participants 8,573 current phase hash 109 events event ends in 3 December 200 3 December event time line registration open event ended airdrop Price pool, share rewards, futures trading to share 1 lakh UAI, individual cap 500 UAI is reward. Login in and participate. Complete the following tasks. UAI futures trading task 1 candy, 3 candies, 5 candies, 10 candies, 20 candies. 1 candy 1 lakh USDT, 3 candy 5000 USDT, 5 candies 10,000 USDT, 10 candies 50,000 USDT, 20 candies 1 lakh USDT. Your trading volume win up to 500 UAI not registered. Share rewards, invite new friends, share 1 lakh UAI, individual cap 500 UAI, each reward, log in and participate. Complete the following tasks. Newcomer invitation task for every friend you invite whose spot trading volume in UAI reaches over 200 USDT. You will receive one candy with a maximum of 10 times one candy 173.913043 UAI. Win up to 500 UAI. Terms and conditions. To claim rewards, participants need to click the join button on the event page to register for the event and complete identity verification and event tasks. Two rewards will be distributed to users' accounts within 14 working days after the event ends. 3. Any fraudulent actions, including bulk account registration, malicious trading, self-trading, and coordinated trading, are strictly prohibited. Multiply accounts with the same identity information will be considered as the same account. Sub-accounts are not eligible to participate in the event. 4. This event is not open to market makers, intermediaries, and institutions. Affiliate accounts are not eligible for referral type events but can join these other events. 5. Only fully filled orders are counted towards the event. Part, uh, Partly filled ones are not counted. In case of discrepancies between the translated and the original English versions, the English version shall prevail. Get reserves the right of final interpretation. 8. Risk warning. Cryptocurrency trading is affected by many factors such as market uh, fluctuations and policies. The market fluctuates greatly and it is difficult to predict. Please fully understand risks involved and trade with caution. 9. Users from restricted regions have no issues to all or parts of the services, including participating in this event, game, or competition. For, for more information about restricted regions, please refer to the user agreement FAQ. What are the requirements to participate in Candy Invitation rewards have not been issued. When will candies be distributed after completing tasks? UNIFAL Uniform All Native Infrastructure for the Age of Agentic Finance. Everyone can create, share, copy, and automate their strategies with ACE. Copy strategies, create, create strategy, developer SDK 1,13,713 total wallets, trading volume $29 362 574 number of strategies 1998 top performance mush dual punch strategy trader mush 30D roll native 33.90 percentage leaders are momentum strategy strategy leader 30D roll native 14.00 percentage polymarket auto farming sports uniform 70 roll USD 7.22 percentage Solana Solana copy Polygon copy end-to-end infrastructure for auto, autonomous DeFi agent runtime deterministic always on a highly availability distributed execution layer that delivers real-time monitoring, automated execution, and full tolerance resilience for DeFi automation. All eval auto-performing benchmarks. Not all have just results. UAI for top industry benchmarks consistently outperforming competitors with smarter execution. Uniform LLMA, LLMAB, LLMC, multi-tool reasoning system 53.95, 53.4, 30.8, 9.6. Dynamic tool routing 86.3, 64.7, 28.9, 10.3. Unified tools in integration orchestration layer wraps 100 positive leading DeFi protocols into atomic composable tools, seamlessly chaining complex operations and enabling effortless strategy development without coding. Hear from out users trusted by the best sentiment Plum, Metura, LP Army, Illumi Ventures, Enagram, Uniform Network 1519 Postis, all native infrastructure for the age of agentic finance. Uniform Network, Unified Network, all native infra for the age of agentic finance. Linktree, EE Unify Network, TME Unify Network, CN, Unify Network, CN, Science and Technology, Chat Unify Network, joined October 224, 389 following, 35.60K followers, posts, replies, highlights, articles, media. Pinned Unify Network November 6, UAI is now live. $UAI TGE is officially live, unlocking a new era of elite agentic finance. Join the future of elite agentic finance and be part of the revolution that's reshaping how users interact with DeFi. Stage Unified UAI Uniform Network reposted KuCoin KuCoin.com at our join our KuCoin fireside chat with Unified Network. Discover how UAI is pioneering the next wave of agents in DeFi, transforming automation, intelligence, and financial innovation across decentralized ecosystem 10,000 UAI to win one follow KuCoin PC KuCoin and show more KuCoin $UAI X KuCoin exploring the future of Al Agent in DeFi 10,000 UAI give away Adam J. Unifol Network Unifol Network number 9 during our recent AMA with GoKite AI, our co-founder Sunny Unifol shared Unify bold version for how L agents will reshape the future of finance. Take a look. Unify how Unify Paul envisions all agents in finance. Unify Network in number 8. Unify Korea AMA alert. We are excited to host an AMA with our Korean community. Date 11th November, time 12 p.m. UTC, 9 p.m. KST. Host Marjedin, guest speaker Joseph 8996 from X Unidex Definite. Join us as we dive into the future of autonomous all agents. Join us as we dive into the future of anonymous L agents. Show more Unify Korea AMA Episode 1 Host Guest Unify Networks number 7 Partnership announcement. We are teaming up with Solar Labs to reward their Emerald cardholders with exclusive Unifall points. This collaboration bridges agentic finance and the solar ecosystem, giving more users access to the power of autonomous DeFi strategies and show more solar pay. Join our latest Emerald Rewards champions to explore smarter automated DeFi with Unify Network. Emerald card holders are eligible for 300 bonus pound points convertible into UAI during the next sessional airdrop. Unify Networks number 7 Unify Network hosts the rise of agentic finance where all meets DeFi 38.9K tuned in November 7 38.38 20 play recording. Unify Network November 7 UAI is now live across multiple top exchanges. You can now trade UAI on both spot and perpetual markets, giving users worldwide seamless access to the token. Be part of the movement and join us in building an agentic finance future powered by autonomous all agents. Guys, thank you everyone who joined the live project. Thank you everyone. Okay everyone, my okay guys, thank you everyone who joined the my project. Like, share, and follow my project. Unify Network, November 7. Now that everyone is chill and calm from all the seriousness, your favorite intern is fake. How's everyone feeling today? Unify Network number 6, the UAI Trading Challenge is live. Think you are got what it takes. Complete and claim the leaderboard to claim your share of 1 lakh dollar UAI in rewards. Here show to join the action trade $UAI and post your trading volume. Be among the first 1,000 traders to hit. Show more. Binance Futures number 6. The UAI Trading Challenge is now live complete for a prize pool of 1 lakh UAI in rewards. How to participate? Claim the UAI trading volume leaderboard. Binance Futures UAI Trading Challenge. Trade futures and share 1 lakh UAI tokens in rewards. Join now. Okay, guys, my project time is over. So take care. We will meet tomorrow in my next stream. So Allah Hafiz.